Hello everyone, I'm Cheryl Blanchard, CEO of Anika. I'm incredibly excited to announce that today is the official US full market release of the Integrity implant system. Integrity is a hyaluronic acid or HA-based regenerative scaffold implant designed to augment rotator cuff and other tendon repairs, including in the foot and ankle. With over 700,000 cuff repairs performed annually in the US, surgeons are looking for better ways to treat the growing number of cuff tears, with the goal of getting patients back to active living. The first generation collagen products have paved the way for showing how a patch can help augment cuff repairs. But in speaking with surgeons, we identified clear unmet needs and real opportunities for improvement, particularly with initial strength, suture retention, and regenerative capacity. Anika's goal in developing Integrity was to improve tendon healing, clinical outcomes, and the surgery itself with efficient, all-arthroscopic instrumentation. Uniquely, Anika has 30 years of success innovating with HA, a natural substance found all over the body, known for its regenerative healing properties. Our innovations have resulted in clinically proven therapies, starting years ago with our flagship products, Orthovisc and Monovisc. And now we're excited to introduce you to Integrity. With over 300 surgeries performed since the November limited release, Integrity has exceeded our expectations, with surgeons and patients reporting excellent outcomes and high satisfaction. This initial experience gives us high confidence that Integrity will be a game changer in cuff repairs and become the new treatment standard for tendon repair. What sets Integrity apart is its reliable strength, which is significantly greater than the competition, even when wet, its best-in-class regenerative biology, and streamlined, precise surgical technique. Because Integrity is so strong, it can be confidently manipulated arthroscopically while also supporting regenerative healing with improved cell infiltration, tissue remodeling, and tendon thickening, clearly demonstrated in a head-to-head study against the current market leader. Anika is changing the game for surgeons and their patients, and we're just getting started with additional regenerative products coming, including our single-stage cartilage repair product, Hyalofast. Look for Integrity from your Anika distributor or rep, and stay tuned for more regenerative solutions from us in the future. Thanks for letting me share our exciting Integrity news, and have a great day.